Good morning, all of you. This is Rao's Institute of English, Spoken English Grammar from Narsapur, Chirmawadipalli, near Railway Gate, 31st Ward. My contact number is 9010868177. Join and speak English without fear. Now, there is a boy who studies 7th class with us. He wants to tell a story and talk to us. This boy practices speaking English in Rao's Institute of English, which is near to Railway Gate in Chirmawadipalli. Now, we are going to have a conversation with this boy. Let's get started. Hello, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Arishwant, sir.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Narspur, sir.
Okay. What are you studying?
I am studying seventh class, sir.
You are studying 7th class.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, do you practice English in Rao's Institute of English? Speaking
Yes, sir.
practice? Yes, you practice.
I
Yeah.
practice in Rao's Institution of English, sir.
Okay. Okay. Where it is located? Chirmawadipalli near Railway Gate.
Yes, sir. It is located Chanmavadpalli in near railway gate.
Do you know his number? Can you say the number?
I don't know that number.
Oh, okay. I will tell you, listen.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
9010868177. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anyone can contact to this number. This is Rao's Institute of English, Grammar and English. Join and speak English without fear. Okay. Okay. Do you have holidays now? Do you have summer holidays?
Yes, sir.
You have
Summer.
summer holidays.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, do you want to tell any story or regular activity or conversation? What do you want to tell?
I want to tell the story, sir.
Okay. 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 Tell. You are interested to tell a story.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Okay. First, tell me the name of the story.
The name of the story is The Lazy Grasshopper.
Okay. Is it interesting story?
Yes, sir. Is it interesting story, sir?
It is very interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Carry on.
Once upon a time, there was a lazy grasshopper. It was enjoying and playing guitar.
Hmm.
One day, the ants are collecting food.
Hmm.
The grasshopper saw the ants.
Hmm.
The grasshopper told,
Hmm.
"Come and enjoy with me.
Hmm.
We play and singing songs."
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
the ants told, "I
Hmm.
am busy in collecting food for
Hmm.
rainy season."
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Very good.
The,
Carry
gra-
on.
the
Hmm.
grasshopper told,
Hmm.
"You are foolish. There are
Hmm.
2 months to
Hmm.
rainy season."
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Yeah.
And then the grasshopper saw squirrels.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
The grasshopper asked squirrels to play with me. Let's sing a song.
Okay. Hmm.
But the squirrels told, "I
Hmm.
am busy.
Hmm.
We are collecting food for the summer season,
Hmm.
rainy season."
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
The grasshopper told, "You are very foolish. There
Hmm.
are 2 months ago,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
rainy season will come."
Hmm. Okay. Yeah.
The 2 months passed away.
Hmm.
The grasshopper had no food
Hmm.
to eat. It was so hungry. The grasshopper went to the ants. The
Hmm.
grasshopper asked, "My dear friends, I
Hmm.
am very hungry. Give me some food."
Hmm.
The ants told,
Hmm.
"Sorry, my dear.
Hmm.
I am eating this food for rainy season. I
Okay.
want this."
Okay. Hmm. Yeah.
And the grasshopper went to the squirrels
Hmm.
and asked the squirrels,
Hmm.
"You are my dear friends. Give me some food. I am very hungry."
Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
But the
Yeah.
squirrel told,
Hmm.
"Sorry, my dear friend. I want this food for the rainy season."
Okay. Okay. Hmm.
The grasshopper realized her mistake
Hmm.
and worked hard for the
Hmm.
next rainy season.
Yes. Yes. Okay. You have told a nice story. Really, it gives us a good message that before rainy season we have to hide some food and everything, because in rainy season food is not available. That's why the lazy grasshopper first asked the ants. Ants told, we don't want to waste our time, because after 2 months there will be rainy season. So we must gather some food. The ants told. Next, the lazy grasshopper asked the squirrels. Squirrels
Squirrel.
also told the same answer. After that, what happened? There will be a rainy season. After 2 months, there will be rain, but grasshopper doesn't have food. So grasshopper went to the squirrels and ants. Ants and squirrels, when they are eating food, that time it went there. It asked the grasshopper asked squirrels and ants, please give me some food. They said, we don't have food. It is not enough. They said. Then lazy grasshopper realized his mistake, that he has to gather food before rainy season. Then only in rainy season it will be happy. Grasshopper realized. Okay,
Yes.
you told a nice story. Really, it gives us a good message. Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Narspur, sir.
Nagpur. You are studying seventh class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So after this class, where do you go? After
I went
spoken
to
English class,
computer typing.
morning you come to spoken English class 9 to 10:30. After this class, where do you go?
I go to computer typing, sir.
Computer. After lunch or before lunch?
Before lunch, sir.
Before lunch, 11 o'clock. Do you go
Yes,
to
sir.
computer class? 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir. 11
11
o'clock.
o'clock or 12? Before lunch. How much time do you practice there?
1.5 hours, sir.
You practice 1.5 hour there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. At what time do you go home after computer class?
At 12:30, sir.
12:30 you go home. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Then you take lunch.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. 1 o'clock or 12:30 you take lunch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you enjoy your summer holidays? How do you enjoy your summer holidays? Do you play with your friends?
Yes, sir.
Do you play
Yes.
cricket or mobile phone games
Cricket, sir. With my friends.
with your friends? You play cricket with your friends. How much
Yes, sir.
time do you play?
1.5 hours, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye. See you.
Okay, sir.